are you?
Right there.
Tell me what you're doing.
Watch this one. I run to wiggle this one.
All right, get going. Where'd you go? Why do you run that way? You're supposed to run through the sprinkler.
I did.
Oh, okay.
I did.
All right, you gonna go again?
Yes.
Okay.
I did all it.
All right. Oh. Where'd you go? What?
That was fun.
That was fun?
Yes.
All right.